Welcome back to North Pole Studio. This is part 3 of our simple 3D character modeling series in Prisma 3D. In this tutorial, we'll be modeling the sweatshirt for our character. Follow along as I model. Let's get started. First, import a reference image to guide the shape of the sweatshirt. To do this, tap Import, then locate and select the image. Choose your reference and place it in the scene. Rotate and position the image so that it's easy to view from the front. This will help with accuracy while modeling. Now import a cube. Add a few loop cuts to allow more control points. Begin shaping the cube by adjusting the vertices on the sides to give it a slight curve, matching the reference. Go to the material settings and reduce the opacity so you can see through the mesh and align it properly with the reference image. Continue shaping the cube by adding more loop cuts where needed and scaling parts to match the torso area of the sweatshirt. Once the torso is shaped, move it slightly to the side. Then reset the opacity. Now import another cube for the sleeve. Again, add loop cuts and begin scaling and shaping it to match the sleeve and the reference. Use the extrude function to pull out and extend the arm, adjusting the shape as you go to give it a natural curve. When one sleeve is complete, duplicate it and move it to the opposite side. To create the collar, add loop cuts and adjust the shape using vertices. Then, select the top faces and use Insert to create the collar shape. This will serve as the sweatshirt's collar. Then, import the head we modeled in the previous tutorial and place it on the sweatshirt. Position it so it fits well. Make sure everything looks good and fits well. Before finishing, make sure the sweatshirt is in a T pose, arms stretched out straight, so it's easier to rig later. Finally, group the sleeves with the torso and also group the head as well. So when you select the torso, everything moves together. And that's it for the sweatshirt modeling. In the next tutorial, we will be modeling the hands to add to the sweatshirt. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.